Commercial tents are an investment, and a rip can damage more than your investment. It also creates drips, sags, and eyesores, damaging your hard-won reputation. If you're a rental pro, you can't afford to fix the same spot more than once. That's why, for vinyl tent repair, most in the industry reach for HH66. Here's how the world's most effective vinyl adhesive gets your tent back in action. HH66 vinyl cement is trusted around the world for vinyl repairs that go on fast and stay on permanently. This adhesive isn't made for polyester or nylon tents, or any thin consumer quality tent like you might use for outdoor camping. HH66 is made for vinyl. If you're patching a PVC ground cover or any vinyl commercial tent like you'd use for a party or event, there's nothing stronger than this glue. Here's what to do. Step 1 is prep. For safety, make sure to wear gloves and work in a well-ventilated space. Lay your tent flat if possible. Cut a patch that covers your tear with about 2 inches of room on every side. And round the corners so they won't catch. Use a rag and some HH66 thinner to clean both your patch and your torn tent for good adhesion. Now, step 2. Apply. Spread HH66 on both your patch and your torn tent. We recommend about an ounce of glue for every square foot you'll be patching. You want full coverage, but it doesn't have to be thick. When you've spread the glue, let everything sit for between 2 and 5 minutes so the glue can go from smooth to tacky. Now, attach your patch. Apply firm pressure on every part of the patch, or press evenly with a roller if you've got one. You can use your rag and thinner to clean any excess HH66, which dries clear but will yellow over time, especially in direct sunlight. Your repair should be dry in about an hour, but HH66 won't reach full strength for 24 hours. At that point, you'll have a bond that's flexible, weatherproof, and stronger than your vinyl tent itself. And that's how 5 minutes with the right glue gets your party and event tents back in action and gives you plenty of peace of mind.